Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Crazy Arms on piano. We will begin by identifying the song's key, which is C major. Next, you will learn the three primary chords, C, F, and G7. These form the harmonic foundation. Then, we will practice the basic left-hand bass note rhythm, often a simple 1-5 pattern. Start slowly, focusing on clean transitions between these fundamental elements. This foundational work is crucial for building your performance. Now, let's focus on the right-hand melody. Begin by locating the starting notes, typically around middle C. The melody for Crazy Arms is quite straightforward, often featuring a simple, repetitive pattern that is easy to grasp. Practice this melody slowly, paying close attention to your fingering to ensure accuracy and fluidity. Consistent, deliberate practice will help you memorize the notes and develop muscle memory for a smooth performance. Bringing both hands together is the next step. Focus on synchronizing your left-hand chords with the right-hand melody. This requires careful coordination and a steady internal rhythm. Maintain a consistent tempo throughout the entire song, even during challenging sections. Practice the transitions between chord changes slowly and deliberately to ensure they are smooth and seamless. Repetition is key to developing the necessary coordination for a cohesive performance. To refine your playing, incorporate a few practice tips. Always use a metronome to improve your timing and ensure consistent rhythm. Experiment with different dynamics, playing some sections louder and others softer, to add expression. You can also try adding simple embellishments, like a grace note or a short fill, to the melody for a personal touch. Enjoy the process of making this classic tune your own.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.